Ban penchlori ki kena skul ha kerukam kren, kerukam perkhat perdan, ban penchlori ki bikin mi syakmat ban keli jingkeli ki Nongstoiñ. Ka Avenue Shillong ke lepelong ke Jingaijinghikai ke Sngi ya ke belatip kum ke Apex Human Skills for the Future ke belas dang naduk ke Sngi ningkong jong katayo, bat Pynkut no ne ke Sngi ha ke Skul Reverend JJM Nichols Roy Memorial Secondary School Nongstoiñ, West Khasi Hills District. Hakani ke program lawan bansa Khillang Additional Deputy Commissioner ke West Khasi Hills uba CP Maukon uba longkum ukongsan harungkat ke jingadon lang headmaster ke Skul uba BCA academic coordinator ke Avenues uba MD Lingdo Nongstoiñ na ke Avenues bat ki Khynnah Skul. Haba ai jingkren kum ukongsan uba CP Maukon ula ai kuble kerpang ye ke Avenues Shillong halor ke sin jam bekila shim banwan ai jinghikai ki Khynnah Skul hakani ke district bat ula kenturu ikinong tray ke Avenues bekim day ban kut not tang hangni Henry bekin let shikiway pat ki Skul kepadon hakeleng ke district ha ke jilla. Shushu ulo ongru ki Khynnah Skul bahaba kilit phai na kani ke program kinlong ki basarong bat bekin perkhat bhai kalaway ban penjanaya lade. Nalor kani ula ai khubleiru iki laingut ki Khynnah Skul bawat la ki duna bat kilong ki baleran Henry lingba ke jinghikai ke bakilayo kilapin pawi ke jing shlur ban ai ke jingkren ha kani ke program. Uba maukon ula kenturu iki Khynnah bekin sedang ban puli ki kot ki bapher ki bekin thup ke English grammar bekin nang la ban kren paring khambha shushu.
My name is Rishanwa Hashanglai. I stand here to thank all Chief Guest Sri C. Mokon, EDC of Nongstoiñ. I would like thanks to Headmaster.
Learn, absorb, and express. Training is important to ensure that we are equipped with whatever topic that we are being taught with. And then after that, get them, retain them in your brain. After you retain them, then learn how to express them. That's why communication is important. You learn how to communicate only when you learn the subject. Once you learn the subject, you know how to communicate. Once you learn the subject, you also have confidence. Then once you know the subject, you also know how to question. That's why learn, put it inside your brain, retain it, analyze it. Only when you have done your analysis, then you can begin your question. Come and spend a week long in the school. Whatever you have learned as students, please keep these training in your mind. When you go home, and then you also discuss with me about one topic, self-assessment. How do you assess yourself? Weakness and strength. That is so important. As students, you should always make a self-assessment. Why self-assessment is important? So that you will know or you would know what are the weaknesses that you have or what are the strengths. So what would you do with your weaknesses? Improve upon them. Then what would you do with your strength? Build them up. That's how we become successful. But it was, in fact, it becomes, in fact, very sad to see students who know that they have weaknesses and run away from their weaknesses. I think we have taught them how to overcome that weaknesses. The first important thing that we should learn, assess your weakness, overcome them. How to overcome? How to overcome? If you are weak maths, what do we do? Practice it. Only through practice, learn your lesson well, or learn your formula properly, keep on practicing, apply a formula, then you learn your lesson properly. No, please. If you have to spend 9 hours for the subject, for a topic, spend 9 hours. When you spend your time over and over again, over one subject, or over one topic, you begin to learn. That's how we overcome our weaknesses. Urge upon all the students that are present here, go back from this program with your head held high, with a vision how to improve yourself to overcome all the weaknesses that you have. I also congratulate all the 3 students who have given their testimonials, despite of the fact that from what they have told, we knew that they are quiet, silent inside the classroom. But after a week program, you become so strong, self-confident, you express yourself, despite the fact that you cannot articulate it in the language that you have, that is English. This is something that we have. The language that we have, or the medium that we have, is a foreign language. We don't have a language of our own, despite the fact that we have a Khasi language, but a Khasi language is not being used as a language for all the subjects. So this is the weakness. In fact, if you have had your language in the Khasi, your maths in Khasi, your science in Khasi, or every subject in Khasi, I don't think so language would become a deterrent for learning. But despite of that, I would urge upon every one of you, please do your reading, read your book properly, especially your grammar, improve your vocabularies on a daily basis. Only by reading, by improving yourself, you can also overcome the fear of language or the fear for expression. So thank you everyone, and may God bless you.
APEX stands for? You know, first of all, the meaning of APEX. Ang patay kasi mo, APEX kumut jong ulo. Mo ka kumut jong ulo. Okay, kumut lang. Poy siya do, katamit do jong ulo, ba pimdan kam siya kiri. Ano ba kata level of perfection. But at the same time, APEX also stands for Avenues Personal Excellence Academy. Okay, personal kumut kajong pishimet. Excellence kamut kajing tibit. Tingani ka APEX, it's a framework. Kata framework ko terekam ka meet ka avenues. Pagani ka APEX ka to kamtam ya likely ke kiba ni iba ki Khynnah jungi kiduna. Mensual na le aspire program ya phone ba program, but kiba ila ki Khynnah jungi isa atin ba. Okay, balik sa atin, baningkong bagluna ka Shillong. Baar, bakim ju jingkali. Bagabalay pat, ba kim ju nod banyeng bankret. Bat kalaway ka jogi sakut sa haju. Kamda mele, bakim perkat jingay ha, ya kalaway ka jogi. Hindi ling ba kanay ka APEX program, nila pun bahaki research. Panginalap ba, likely kita kijingdon kam. Bangilaban ay yang Khynnah sama jungi berkreat ay ki nam takalaway ke joki. Peningkong kadai communication. Peningkong keren. Makurkom keren ke jogi kadai kabangi pensyai ki bre. Kamde ta mai kadai kitin bre ke kabangi pensngau ki bre. Pide driver taxi, ne pide nong dukan, ne pide nong hikai, ne pide business the businessman behave ha. Kai ga bukan kam kalau ban keren. But kita kira orang ajak kami kena melakukan like nak kata berkeren kata. Okay, kaba kadai kata scientific thinking, but perkat dunia perkat sadi. Saya nak kemen berong yang hangeru ba Khynnah ni isi belade kita snai katu kadai ki models kiba yang kata balloon powered car. Kumno snai kali beta kali ya tang ba ka balloon. Kaya kiba yang idea ki ni supatai ki kata force. Ibatais pangka miles, ibatais pangka acceleration, mengisai tips kuno banchna, berkikian kiwan kita kiwan tak kita ki model per. But ngan I'll be very honored if our media team, if they have a recording of the video, maybe they could show sir later about the podcast. Okay, just to have a brief idea. And what is the scientific thinking? Scientific thinking means to never accept anything as the truth. Baru priang yang kalo kumba kalong, hab dapat dak keli benya dak keli jingkeli bah. Okay, ku mo pila kli tu ke ni ha bagi kelas ne ko bagi tu Jingaijinghikai bo bahaba ni om Khynnah pan wan de kita ke kli ke no ke kli ni kila kli ba bele kata ka sembeleng ka rong blue bo bele ni ha phongjan bele ni bam jingba bele ni ron kam thia bele ni ron kam ya ka jingi ti ipon ba kini ke kli je ba Khynnah kli ba ngai scam ba nila bo kelas ke joki di bagi tinggi nak mencuba itu kecil maki dia sini bagi don next kemsipo dia sa mau ada principal Jingaijinghikai baik dan itu kecil baik ramai Khynnah mari Khynnah kita long very curious ikut penting tekeng bagi bat desi hakajing bangkok batai ne kasim jenjar batai ni joki dan kam kani nilong bagi telun no kata kecil ne jong kecil betul hak joki Delani Island leki pat kli wala ka bade ba subject ni ka pamde asai kani ka nyarap syeki pa kinun punya yang no ko pa kate inde be kli punya pinda test tadi mo kata de ka ba scientific knowledge ba ka balai pa kade ka well being ba ka do shpam ka jingko jingkya jong ubreu om ta ka met hendre ha ka jumbo je terkhat ka men sing ku jo ka ba baro ya ka mental health emotional well-being, but physical health as well. The yakane program akane ka school ila astang nalu ka atho way curriculum atho itrik jom mentau penai tirik si mande demi tu mentasi apusan. The yakane isnasi ni la de katu kane ki kita feedback kana Khynnah sa shwa bungin stang ka program but hadim ni astang ka program. Bungin pe katno kata ka jingki ko jongki. But klepek ikini baro ki jingshen ki jongi is submit to office jong deputy commissioner where you can program do your support na deputy commissioner lo kaneka district bali community ding ba ka jingshen ya gitu ki jingshen jing ga yo na class ko office jong deputy commissioner ka non support show ya kaneka program at long part hakiwe district okay